Приехали в МАН читать лекцию про космическое образование в России. Вот наш генеральный директор якутских аэрокосмических систем, создателей первого якутского спутника. Так, это я, Мардин Артем, этот заместитель главного конструктора. Это легендарный человек, это Яна из СибГУ.
Ой, некоторые иностранцы есть. Да.
Protect or defend their projects before the panel of researchers and engineers, and it's a rather successful program. And so far, we also made it an international with the help of our partners from the Hong Kong. Several schools from Hong Kong is actually taking part in our the engineering, space engineering program.
Yeah, as you can see in the picture, there is a Cholbon satellite, the first Yakutian satellite that we have made with the Kosmические Academy and the Trust Fund of Future Generations. Yeah. So, what's the principle of working? Next slide, please. Okay, that's our team. Andrei Petrov, the head of the mission, Ilarionov Timur, ICO of our company, and me, Deputy Chief of Design. Second slide. The satellite Cholbon is an educational tiny satellite that we have made in Republic, and the main target of the satellite is to let the students of Yakutia and Russia work with orbital real apparatus and achieve any data from orbit and work with the real space. Next slide. Next one. And here you can see the payload of the satellite. It's 12 Arduino microcontrollers that the students can program and analyze data from them, achieve data from space. It's a participle detector. It detects beta and gamma radiation, and you can find any information from collected data as you collect it from the all orbital flight. And of course the main board for all of it. And also different classical sensors as magnetometer, gyroscope, thermosensor, and same. Next one. Here we can see it a little closer and the technical documentation. The main target of working with is high school students and freshmen of the university. You can next one. I will say. Here you can see the photos and our tests of the participle detector. And we collaborate with the medical center of Yakutsk for nuclear healing and ask them for different source of radiation, diagnostical source, and find information and calibrate our sensors. Next one. Here you can see our apparatus at Sputnik's company, and if it takes different testing, thermal and vacuum, and also the vibration test for not to vibrate in dissonance. Second one, next one. And here you can see the main principle of working with a tiny satellite. Here in the Kosmические Academy, we have a mission control center and the main computer that collects data from the apparatus. And during the shifts in the Kosmические Academy, students can write the code and send it to orbit. And in few days, collect this information and analyze it. And the main principle that we can let every school in our republic to send their missions. Like we're making the engineering class in the Viluisk school or Anga school and same, and they can work with the apparatus as the same as the Yakutsk students. And that's let people work with the real space data and motivate students to work more to achieve, to participate in the shifts in Sakha Science Academy. Next slide, please. Here you can see the relationships of our satellite and different satellites that are already at the orbit and different organizations that we are collaborate with. The Consortium of Yakutsk and the SIGO Rishinyavs are our deal colleagues that we are work for a very long time. And different satellites that have launched from our friends and our partners. It's of course Rishikups and different satellites that launched by Moscow State University, because some parts of our satellite was prevented by MCU. Next, please. Here you can see the learning process. Students can participate in shifts, or they can participate in different extra activity in school as a consortium. Also, they can find any additional courses in special organizations. And of course, they can work themselves, because we are ready to connect with anyone who wants to find any information or work with us, even a single person. Next, please. One of our main products is the regular shifts. Here you can see them. The first and the main one is Cosmomania. Cosmomania has already finished 4 times, and in the next year we are planning to make a federal championship for students from Russia and near countries. And it's a 12-day session where the students making rockets, orbital satellites, but orbital, stratospheric probes, and analyzing any information from the stratosphere that we have collected during the shift or that are enabled in the internet. And the second one is Yakutian International Science School. Yeah, it's also 12-day shift that stays in the summer. And students are working with different engineering projects that we are providing to them. The second, please. Next one. And of course, it's very, very interesting to participate in scientific projects. And Russia supports it, and there is many different tournaments that we are participating in motivate students to participate in them. It's a concept championship, большие вызовы, like big challenges, дежурный по планете, like main person on the planet, I don't know how to translate correctly, and it's all the tournaments of space construction and making different scientific research on the orbit or in near space. We help people to participate in them and motivate different students to develop aerospace programs. Yeah. Next, please. What you can do with our satellite? First of all, you can find any telemetry that have already collected from the starting of working the satellite. Second one is the active work with satellite. Yeah. You can send your code and collect the data that code have collected. Third one is laboratory works. You can work with the ground copy of stuff that flies in orbit and analyze how it works and try different engineering solutions on them. And third one is transmitting on photographs, and different audios and same funny things that you can do with them. Next, please. And here you can see how it maybe work. Like you're making the Arduino code, launch it due to our special software, waiting for realization, then ask for your information and analyze what you have collected. This. There is our friendship satellites that we are working with is the Rishi Group from Rishinev University, Startostat from Startonautics, Umka, it's from Podolsk, Monitor 3 and Monitor 4 from YAV, Moscow State University, Meteor M2 and Meteor M3, Rosgidromet, and NOAA, it's United States distance zombing satellite. Next, please. Next one. And you can find any information and different schemes at our website. And I am ready to answer your questions if you have.
Thank you very much, Artyom. This is a very interesting and wonderful program which has been in action for the last 3 years and more. In fact, we've been working on that since the inception of our academy, and very much happy to have this wonderful community of very dedicated and young and energetic people who are actually pursuing this